morning, everyone. From the entire team of Rfa Tutors, a very warm welcome to all of you. I would like to tell you guys that it's been a set of mock exams starting from London, Ireland, Riyadh, Jeddah, Chennai, Delhi, and now UAE.
Best of luck, everyone. The reading time starts for the first station.
Ma'am, this is MRCOG.
So this is the third row. I think as examiner.
Oh, beautiful Chini. She made from Myanmar.
First of all, I'd like to thank RFA. This is the MRCOG Part 3 mock exam. It's very well organized. It actually met my expectations even higher than I thought. The venue is amazing. It's clean, they're well prepared. It's very informative. They give you a thorough feedback on how you did in each case. There's numerous cases which you get to practice on, and it's live feedback. I think that's one of the most important aspects. And you also get to meet a lot of different candidates from around the world, which is good to see their experiences, how they learn. And hopefully this will be a success and exam in the future.